there, my name's Campbell and I'm an artist and I live for teaching people how to draw faces. I am putting together a really fun 5-day workshop called the Fun Fab Fairies workshop. I'm going to be teaching a whole crowd of people how to draw 3 masterpieces. We are going to do on day 1 through 3, we're going to be learning how to draw the mushroom fairy, wings, grasshopper, grass, everything from scratch, including shading and then how to color it in. If you're still having fun and you're hanging out with me on day 4, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this fairy face from scratch in graphite. Again, learning how to draw and shade in my Fun Fab style from scratch. And if you're still having fun and you want to hang with me even longer, on day 5, we're going to be doing this fairy face in markers. The cost for all 5 days, including additional PDF resources, links to supplies, all the pre-recorded content, plus daily lives. I'm giving away Amazon gift cards, art supplies, and books. I'm the author of 18 books, and I'm going to be having massive giveaways every day for those who hang out with me. The whole cost is $10, $10 for the whole shebang, and you have access to this content forever. It's yours to own, download, and rewatch at your leisure, especially if you're worried about watching it in time. You can watch it later if you can't hit it for all the live recordings and festivities. That's fine. You own the content. The festivities kick off on April 26th and they run through the 30th. And I really, really hope to see you there. It's going to be a blast and we're going to be making some amazing, amazing I was going to say architects. What? Masterpieces. I can't wait to see you there.